Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Vanessa, and I am back, and I have been tagged in a laundrochat hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. So today, from my chat, we're going to be chatting about. I've been on YouTube since 2009, and my channel name is Salon Diva V, and I don't know that the name is fitting for the videos that I do. When I first started this channel, I was like, okay, I'm gonna make videos about the salon, but then that's not what I wanted to do. I fell in love with doing all the videos for the home and organizing and DIYs and couponing and videos like that. So I just went that route. And then it's not particularly, that's not right, for a cosmetologist to really give away the trades and the tips and the tricks that we had to pay for. We paid good money for, and just to put them on a video for thousands to share, and then they're using your stuff or learning, and they're not even licensed, and then they're making millions, maybe not millions, but they're making good money, and they don't even have a license. They didn't go to school to know anything about sanitation, the things that you can get, the diseases, the bugs, nothing. How to properly care for the hair, the science about hair, nothing. And now they're Instagram famous and all kind of famous. And we sitting back here twiddling our thumbs because we paid all this money for this, but yet people are getting famous on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or whatever, and don't even have a license. But that's not even what I came to talk about. I know I went on a little rant right quick, but so that has been my dilemma, and I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all hear the grass man. Yeah, they would come and cut grass while you're trying to film a video. But yeah, so I have a couple of videos that's pertaining to the salon, but not many. And I don't want to take the Salon Diva out because I love what I do, but I'm trying to figure out a way I can incorporate that with another name. So if you are watching this video, please, if you have any ideas that you can share with your girl, let me know. Oh my God, can you guys hear that? That is just, and it seems like it's getting louder. So if you have any ideas, any suggestions, any tips on what I can do to maybe not change my name, but add a little something to it that says what my channel is about: organization, clean with me, crafts, DIYs, of course decorating, designing. Please let me know. And I want to thank This and That with Denise Jordan for tagging me into this video. And thanks everybody for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to get out of here because this is my load of laundry for right now. I have some others that's washing and drying, but this grass man is driving me crazy while I'm filming on this video. So yeah, so guys, leave me a comment below and let me know if you have. Maybe I should tweak the name around, add my name, I don't know, help a sister out here. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys in another video. Peace.